My name is Art Tozier, and I live in Heston, Kansas, and I am the recipient of bilateral knee surgery. My little journey started in November of 2017. I have known for many years that my knees were deteriorating, but like everybody else, you want to wait until there's no other choice but to deal with it. Literally by the day, by the week, I was losing ground. I could not move as quickly, get up and down as easy anymore. So that then required that I make contact with a good doctor. Now, Dr. Pigg, who is one of the few doctors that are doing knee replacement robotically. And I tell you what, this man knows what he's doing. He's very particular about his patients. I was as comfortable as anybody could be. I knew I was going to get the best of care. And I got it. I did get it. I felt like they did a good job of preparing me for what was going to take place. And I'm telling you, within 3 hours, I am up and I'm walking the hallways. My knees just were so smooth. I had zero balance issue. It was as stable as I could ask a pair of knees to be. They just rolled, and it's like, I can't believe this. We had the opportunity to take a trip to Israel, and I walked a lot, and there's a lot of inclines and declines, and there are, I hate to guess how many thousand steps that I went down and up. These knees worked, and it's that comfortable for me. So it enabled me to do something that was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity I got to do. I am absolutely impressed with the procedure that was done, and the care that I received as a patient was absolutely second to none. It was excellent. My experience with this, I would not do it one bit different.